Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. Got a vanity set with lighted mirror to assemble. Let's get started. All right, I just made a little boo-boo there with the phone, but that's okay. So I want to lift it up. This is what we're looking at so far. Let's see what we got here. Parts. Oh, you know what? We gotta be a little careful with this. Be careful, guys, because this very top piece is looks like the mirror is in there. So be careful with this. This is on the very top. Opened it up all the way. This is heavy, so you might want to just open this up all the way instead of just trying to pull it out the box. Yeah, be real careful with this, guys. This looks like some type of, I don't know what this is. Oh wait, these are like just some type of legs or something. Okay. All right, guys, finally dug out the directions. Doesn't look like a whole lot, so let's do it. My kind of directions, you have your parts list, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. You can't beat that. So step 1, we're gonna get part A and attach B to A. Problem is when you're doing this first step, now there are 2 sets of legs. There's one set, one is long. The other set is shorter. Let's look at what we got here. Word to the wise. I have part A sitting on top of some foam and the cardboard. You don't want to scratch it up. Just keep that in mind. Now this was tacky. Figure out, well, you know, some are bigger than others. All right, looking at the directions, it looks like the bolt washer goes on the inside. And you know my motto, folks, I just put them in somewhat just to get it started. And we're gonna do the same all the way around. All right, I started them all, so I'm just gonna use the Allen wrench to secure the legs. All right, we secured them. No moving here, nice and tight. All right, step 2, we're putting D and C together. This is part C, just pay attention to the part list. Okay, this is part D. It's not really hard for you to figure out. It's the very first piece of foam you're gonna pull out. So just be careful with this. So in order to put C and D together, you'll need the 2 shortest bolts. Make it a little easier on yourself and take the drawers out. And of course, it's always smart to put a bolt in at a time and go from there. Also, they want you to put those smaller bolts in the outside hole. So what I did, I just leveled it out as best as I could and scoot them in with my hand first. So now I'll use the Allen wrench. In addition, don't forget the nuts, folks, okay? Please, very important you put those. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. You see the bolts and you see the nut around it. So make sure you put those nuts in. All right, so we're done with step 2. I just kept the plastic over the mirror. Step 3, they want us to put D, and it looks like they want us to stand A up and put it all together.